Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So I have a delicious slow cooker recipe to share with you today. I am making poor man's stew. That's right, poor man's stew. This is so easy. It uses very basic ingredients, and it is just so hearty, warm and comforting, and it is just delicious. I cannot wait to share this with you. Let me show you what you will need to make this poor man's stew. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef, and then I have here right around 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes. Now I like to use these because they're just easier. You don't have to peel them. I will be quartering them, but you can use the Idaho russet potato if you prefer. Then I have 1 small onion that I have diced, and then 1 stalk of celery that I have diced, but you can use 2 if you want. Then around 1/2 pound of baby carrots that I have cut in half, and 2 garlic cloves. Then I have 1 cup of beef broth, and then a small 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Then I have 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and some salt and pepper. So you will need to brown your ground beef in a large skillet and just cook it until it is completely cooked through. Then add your cooked ground beef to your slow cooker, and then your celery, carrots, and onions. Mince your 2 cloves of garlic, and I like to use my garlic press. Then add your potatoes, the beef broth, the Worcestershire sauce, the thyme, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Then add your tomato paste. And then give everything a good stir. And then cover your slow cooker and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. All right, this poor man's stew is so, it's so good and hearty. That is delicious. And if you are looking for a budget-friendly, inexpensive meal, then this is another perfect one for you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes. And it it's gone. Right. It is delicious. It is easy, and it is, yeah, what is it? I don't know. It's pretty good. Delicious, and it is, I don't know, what it is. Super easy, it's delicious, affordable. Basic meal. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about this poor man stew. It just uses just some basic ingredients. Okay, it's delicious. I don't know if I already said delicious. Ooh. Have a delicious, yeah, I said delicious. Hearty. Say about it. Oh.